Another clue. 429 11th Avenue?
That's an address.
To where?
How to capture one of them.
Capture one? Why would you want to do that?
To see what makes them tick. When the evil thinks we're winning, they're gonna let their guard down. And that's when we will pounce! Now!
Now, Sebastian!
We're going to cut her open.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Sounds all the way.
Okay, Tough Crew, after all the research, we finally did it. We caught one of the dolls.
Yes, we did.
We have to open her up and see what makes her tick.
Yeah. These are the Dollmaker's creations. Maybe if we can open her up and find out what's inside, maybe we can learn more about the Dollmaker and maybe some way of getting Belle back.
Alright guys, the kids are in school, so we figured this is the best time to open this case.
Okay, let's get this over with.
Alright. A little nervous, not gonna lie. She's still here. I was worried she would have disappeared.
Thankfully, not.
Don't know. I mean, she looks like she's sleeping.
Put her on the table.
Are you nervous about this?
Extremely.
Have you ever cut open a doll before?
No, that's not usually what I've ever done.
I mean, we've been to Build-A-Bear and they put that stuffing in these things.
So I'm assuming that's what we're going to find inside, but it is a Dollmaker's doll. Maybe there's other things inside there. I don't know what he was thinking when he created her. She doesn't look like Belle.
No, she doesn't.
Maybe this is what they start to look like when they become evil.
Maybe, but I mean, somebody did all this. I hope she finally gives us some answers that we've been looking for.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Let's do it. Alright guys, we don't recommend anybody try this at home. We've done a lot of work and a lot of research on what we're about to do. But we do not want you, I repeat, we do not want you to try this to anything.
And that's why the kids are not here.
During this operation, we have a couple of tools we're going to be trying and using. Not sure which is going to work better, but we're going to try. Once again, these are real and do not use knives without permission. Alright, Mom. What are you thinking with these two knives?
I don't know which one's going to work. I mean, she's got a cloth body, so maybe the lighter knife will do less damage.
Okay. Alright, Mom. Really nervous about this. Let's do it, though. We're in. Oh, I don't
What
like
is that sound?
I don't like that sound at all.
Oh my gosh, it's a horrible sound.
I think that's far enough, maybe?
It's a big enough hole.
Do I have to go crisscross just there?
No, I'm sure that you'll be able to. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you can see that there's stuffing inside her. That's a good sign. So she is a doll.
We got fluff filling. Trying to see a lot of filling. feel some weird things in here. I don't know what I'm touching.
What? You actually feel stuff inside her?
Yeah.
How? What would you stuff inside a doll?
I don't know, but there's a lot of things in here.
What's...
What is this?
What do you feel?
I got something small.
Pull it out.
Ah!
Ah! Is that what I think it is?
It's a tooth. So that must mean they were real at one time?
Or someone has a really sick imagination.
Gonna hold it?
No. Why would you put a tooth inside a doll?
Is it her, was it her tooth? Was it a little girl's tooth? I mean, what? Hopefully we'll get better answers.
Oh, okay.
Should we continue?
At this point, I think we have to. We've already gone this far. Did you feel anything else inside her?
I felt a bunch of things.
Well then, see what else you can get out.
Alright. I think I ripped her even more. Oh, there's something big in there. What the heck is that? It's like, what is that thing? Oh my gosh, it's huge. I can't get it. It's huge. Wait, there's a little, what is it? Big. It's really big. Wait, almost have it. Here it is. What? One of Corinne's dolls?
Why would that be in her?
Is she just, like, keepsaking stuff, maybe? She took one of Corinne's dolls? This is getting weirder and weirder. We got a tooth and we got a doll.
You said there was more stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
Keep looking.
What is that? Wait. I found something else, Mom. Ah! It's another tooth. And a slice of a birthday cake. What does a birthday cake have to do with anything?
She was hungry?
Okay, and is that why her tooth came out? A little blood on the tooth?
No, not cool.
Continue?
Is there anything else in there?
You want to see?
Not really.
More filling.
How do you find anything in here?
Is she alive? Her eyes are closed. Creepy.
So is she officially back to being a doll?
Why? Because you took some teeth out of her?
I don't feel anything else.
I'm pretty good at this. Let me get it. Let me get my fingers in there. What is that? Got something? A Lego leg? What is that?
Another toy. Why is she collecting teeth and toys?
Well, maybe her teeth broke when she was eating these things.
And
Alright.
she swallowed her teeth. But she's a doll. She shouldn't have any teeth.
Look at her eyes. Does that creep you out?
She doesn't look alive.
No, she doesn't. Alright, there's more in here. I know there is. Wait. Gosh, it's really in there. It's the rest of the Lego toy. Well, kind of. He's missing an arm and a leg. Oh, there's his leg. That's his leg.
This is his leg. But he's missing an arm.
I have to go back and look for an arm?
I don't know. I don't know if there is an arm. Do you feel anything
Yeah,
else?
I feel other stuff. Gosh. Yes, look at this. Here it comes. Ah!
Oh, it is.
Oh, it's the arm. I thought it was... That was nasty.
What did you think it was?
I don't know. It was like reddish. That was blood.
Okay, so we have a doll, a minifigure, cake, and teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Real teeth.
Yeah, they're real. And blood on there, too.
This just isn't your normal doll.
I don't know. Let's see. Think that's it? Wait, Mama. I found something else. Maybe. Oh my gosh, she's ripping. But I found something else. And I don't think you're gonna like it. Another tooth!
Oh! Seriously, that's so disgusting.
So we got 2 molars and a fang.
It still has like root to it. That is absolutely nasty. Why would such a thing be in a doll? Guys, why would you think real human teeth would be inside a doll? It just doesn't make sense.
No sense at all.
Is there anything else in there?
Okay, well, I found something sharp.
Be careful. Is it another tooth?
Some information about sharp objects. Who returns to
That
his
is
home
really
to
creepy.
investigate mysterious.
We're talking about sharp stuff and my phone starts going off.
Here's what I found on the web.
What powers does this doll really have?
If she has powers and you're cutting her open, how is that even possible?
I don't know. I mean, is there other powers around us? Why would my phone start to go off?
I don't know.
Start talking to us about sharp objects. Exactly the same thing we're pulling out of her. A knife, a sword. Why would my phone start talking about sharp objects?
I don't know.
And how did she get a sword in her? There, I felt one more thing in there. Let me go. Are we getting any answers from this?
I don't understand any of it. It's not making any sense. We're not any closer to figuring out what the Dollmaker is doing. What is that?
It's a key attached to TNT.
A key? Why would there be a key?
Look at that. A key attached to TNT. I mean, it looks like a toy.
This is seriously strange. It makes no sense. It looks like a brick of TNT.
So it's just a toy.
It just doesn't make any sense, guys. None of these things are making sense.
Wait. Maybe? Because Corinne's seen the lady in red. We've seen the lady in red. Corinne's been with the lady in red. Belle's been with the lady in red. Do you think she's giving us any type of message with these things? Like, is it another one of her clues? She's given us clues before.
If that's the case, and this is a clue, then someone knows that we were planning to do this. Someone planted this key inside this doll before we actually caught her.
But how did they know we were going to catch her? There are 3 of them.
Maybe that was the plan all along. Guys, this is seriously messed up.
Alright, Mom. Let's look at this a little closer. It's gotta be a clue to something.
It's got to be a key to something.
That's-
Why else would there be a key?
USPS? That's the post office.
It's a key to the post office?
Yeah. It's got a number on it.
What's the number?
Look at that. Look at that. It's a post office box key. Number 1834?
Maybe this is a clue. Maybe we need to go to the post office and find this mailbox.
Let's go. Okay, Tough Crew. We're at the post office right now. We're gonna go inside and see if we can find this mailbox number.
Okay guys, so there's rules about filming inside of a federal building, and since this is such short notice, we don't have the permissions that we would need to film inside. So we're going to go inside. We can take some pictures, but that is all we can do. And then we will take pictures of what we find inside, and then we will share them with you. Are you ready?
I'm wondering what's in this. We'll see you soon.
Okay guys, we got inside the post office. We had to search through hundreds of mailboxes, but we found it. We found the right one.
And the key fit in perfectly.
When we opened the mailbox, we found another red envelope.
So we're back in the car. Let's open up and see what it says. All right, guys.
What's it say?
New York, New York.
What was the address on the other last note we got?
I can't remember. We left it at home. How about we go back home and check it out?
We'll see you guys at the house.
All right, guys. We just got back from the post office. We got a clue there. We're going to go into the studio and try to figure this clue out and see what it all means. What?
Where's the doll?
We left her on the table.
Where did she go? The case is right there. There is nothing in the case.
She's gone.
Where could she have gone to? She was cut open. It was like she wasn't alive. How could she have just disappeared?
All right, Mom, this is getting stranger and stranger. Let's put these clues together and try to figure this out.
Okay, guys, we found the last clue. 429 11th Avenue. And the new clue says New York, New York. It's a complete address to somewhere in New York.
What does it mean?
I don't know.
Where is it? Let me see if where that address is leading us. 429 11th Avenue, New York, New York. It's the Javits Center in New York?
It's the exact same address.
What's at the Javits Center? I mean, I don't see. It's in the middle of the city. Like it's by the water. I mean, it's right in New York City.
I guess we have a trip to plan.